Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we're looking at 2026 Alcom Snopro 101 wide by 24 feet long plus the 5-foot V-nose. And we have done a lot of upgrades on this trailer. For one, it's got the blackout package, which all the molding and trim has been powder coated black. The finish is charcoal gray. We upgraded the tires and wheels to 15-inch because 13-inch are just too small, with brakes on both axles, dual fuel doors, front and rear drive out ramps. This one's got our heating system in it, 40 BTU furnace, front ramp, which I'm going to open up right now and pull down for you. Got a handle on both sides, super easy. This trailer is all aluminum. As you can see, we put paddle grabbers on and ski guides as well. It's got a nice sized man door on it. We walk around. There's the propane tank. It's got a 110 outlet inside. You just plug an extension cord into that so you have power inside the trailer as well. This trailer has what we call a hidden beaver tail in it to give it some more height in the back, as well as the 6 inches that we put into it. I'm going to pull down the back door now so we can take a look inside. We have our ramp doors on our snowmobile trailers. They're doved, so you can see there's no flap. They're slanted, so they're easy to pull in. We upgrade ours to that because who wants to deal with a flip down ramp in the snow? Of course, it's got all LED running lights. It's got the rear spoiler with loading lights. You can see the paddle grabbers and the ski guides. Inside, we use the slide track system, so those you adjust and put anywhere you want. There's the tool to move them. You also can put in ski bars. They slide right, and the same thing, we keep them in stock for the guys that want the ski bars. This here is a floor drain. You put your sleds are full of snow inside, snow melts, it will run down the drain and go outside, so it doesn't sit in your trailer. The floor product is advanced decking. It will never rot. It will outlive you. I've got some in a fishbowl for over almost 7 years. Come check it out. It's still hard as a rock. As we walk through the inside of this beautiful trailer, here's your heater. It's got blowing out vents there, blowing out vent there. The little cabin here has got the battery in it with the outlet, and it's got a battery tender in it, so you can keep your battery charged up when you're not using, or take a generator with you when you're out and about. Of course, it's got a carbon monoxide sensor in it. It's got a conventional thermostat, just like your house, on the wall. Turn it on, set the temperature you want, boom, it comes on, turns off when it's whatever you set it at. It's got a 10 coat hook on the wall here for to hang your coats and helmets and gloves on when you're done riding. LED dome lights. Here's another outlet inside here in case you want to put something else to plug in inside. Dual fuel doors. Also nice, because we put the extra height, it's 7'4" inside, 7'2" at the back ramp. Pull your side-by-side in the summer in and use it, take your side-by-side, year-round good use trailer, or your ATVs or whatever you like. The other nice thing about this beautiful trailer is, comes the limited lifetime warranty. As long as you own a trailer, there's warranty on the components. Now the lights and stuff like that, the furnace have their own warranties, but all your structure, leaking and stuff like that, which we don't have that problem, has a limited lifetime warranty. All square tube aluminum construction, one piece aluminum roof, aluminum skin. I made a special buy on these. I have 3 of the exact same. One is charcoal, what you're looking at. I have a white one with the black powder coat, and I have a black one with the black powder coat. They're all exactly the same features, same dimensions, all priced to sell quick. Don't miss out on these special buys I made and these very cool limited edition Snopro trailers. Room for those new big long track climbing sleds that are out there these days. They're over 12 feet long. You can put 2 of them back to back in here and carry 4 of those. Or some people can carry more, that depends on your sled, but it's 24-foot deck plus that V-nose, so there's a lot of room in here. Plus, it's lightweight and it won't rust. So if you have questions about this trailer or anything else, give us a call at 503-666-7300 or reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com and let us know if you want something custom built. We love doing that. We specialize in it. Thanks for looking and have a wonderful day.